Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your employer ReliaCard online, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick and easy activation. Step 1. Visit the ReliaCard website at reliacard.com using a computer or mobile device. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Register Card button on the homepage and click it. Step 3. Enter your ReliaCard number exactly as it appears on the front of your card. Step 4. Provide the security code or CVV found on the back of your ReliaCard. Step 5. Enter your personal information including full name, date of birth, and social security number for identity verification. Step 6. Create a username and password for your online account to manage your card in the future. Step 7. Set up a personal identification number or PIN that you'll use for ATM withdrawals and purchases. Step 8. Review all information and click Submit or Activate to complete the process. Your employer ReliaCard is now active and you can access your employment benefits, wages, or reimbursements immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.